The amusement park is clean, the staff service is excellent, there are a variety of rides, and the restrooms are convenient and clean. There are staff members available to provide guidance and supervise each ride. The park is spacious and offers a variety of activities for both adults and children, making it perfect for families or any group. There's plenty of space to relax and unwind. The newly opened amusement park had its water park open when we visited, but the most thrilling rides were still under construction. The zoo is spacious, with shaded areas for the animals to rest in during hot weather. The amusement park area was not crowded due to the heat, everyone was at the water park, and there was generally no need to wait in line, but consider the temperature. The buffet had a wide variety of choices, avoid going during the first rush. There's no beverage bar. You'll need to buy drinks from vending machines. Cash is generally needed for payments throughout the park, so be prepared. Remember to book your return transportation in advance. There's a paid luggage storage service available, so you don't have to worry about large bags. The amusement park has many games, a clean zoo, friendly staff, and a fairly quick entry process without needing to line up. Going at lunchtime is a bit sunny, but it's clean with lots of greenery. Friendly staff, buy tickets in advance, it's cheaper and you don't have to queue. Easy to book on Klook, buy tickets in advance for fast entry without queuing, diverse zoo games with over 200 species, and it's clean too. Easy to book on Klook, buy tickets in advance for fast entry without queuing, diverse zoo games with over 200 species, and it's clean too. Easy to book on Klook, buy tickets in advance for fast entry without queuing, diverse zoo games with over 200 species, and it's clean too. Easy to book on Klook, buy tickets in advance for fast entry without queuing, diverse zoo games with over 200 species, and it's clean too. VinWonders is spacious and clean. It's a bit hot at noon, but the play area is great. We'll come back next time. VinWonders is spacious and clean. It's a bit hot at noon, but the play area is great. We'll come back next time. VinWonders is spacious and clean. It's a bit hot at noon, but the play area is great. We'll come back next time. VinWonders is spacious and clean. It's a bit hot at noon, but the play area is great. We'll come back next time.